It is midnight in April in this ancient city of Bode in the eastern corner of Kathmandu Valley. People are out on the streets celebrating the Nepali New Year. A procession accompanies the deity and chariot all the way to the temple. And the city remains sleepless till morning as people keep a centuries-old tradition alive. The tongue-piercing festival falls on the second day of the Nepali New Year. Buddha Krishna Bhagashrestha will be getting his tongue pierced for the 6th time. It is believed that doing this will help ward off evil, but the person must be of the Shrestha family and from Bode. He wears the traditional dress and turban, and to prepare himself, Shrestha has fasted and carried out purification rituals for the past 3 days.
ड्रेस लाएर जुन जीवित ड्रेस छ नि त्यसलाई लाएर गइसकेपछि घरमा यो लाइसकेपछि बोल्नु हुन्न नबोलेपछि देउता नि आफूमा देउतै प्रवेश गरे जस्तो.
His friends and family support him as they hope it will bring good luck to the community.
के हो डर नि अब हाम्रो भगवान हुनुहुन्छ नि त देउताको शक्ति छ नि डर लाग्दैन. अब यस्तो नि मन्दिर जानु पर्छ अनि के भन्छ यहाँ घरमा आउने मान्छेहरुलाई सबैलाई अब चियाहरु यस्तो चियापान गर्नुपर्छ.
Buddha Krishna first goes around the city making offerings to the deities. He is then taken to a priest who pierces a thin metal needle through his tongue. With a spike lodged in his tongue and a bamboo Mahadeep on his shoulder, Buddha Krishna tours the ancient city of Bhaktapur. 3 hours later, he returns to the temple to remove the needle.
जीव छेडे बापत हाम्रो यो देशमा चाहिँ अनावृष्टि हुँदैन अतावृष्टि हुँदैन अनिकाल पर्दैन महामारी आउँदैन महारोग आउँदैन.
Juzubai has pierced his tongue 8 times. Both he and Buddha Krishna are committed to keeping the tradition alive with the backing of the community.
किनकि यस्तो संस्कृत जोगाउनमा अझ आउने अब युवा पुस्तालाई पनि यसरी गर्व गर्ने ठाउँ दिनुपर्छ कि जस्तो भनौँ अहिले मैले पनि गरेँ नि जीवित छेडे अब आउने पुस्ताले पनि गर्नुपर्छ. जीवित छेडे आफ्नो संस्कार जोगाउनुपर्छ.